Do you know that the biggest cause of leg swelling is poor diet? The foods we eat have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. A poor diet high in processed foods, sugar and unhealthy fats can lead to weight gain and obesity, which can increase the risk of developing health problems such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. In addition, eating too much salt can cause the body to retain water, which can lead to puffiness and swelling in the legs and ankles. Furthermore, a lack of physical activity can also contribute to leg swelling as it reduces the circulation of blood and lymph fluid, which can cause fluid to pool in the lower extremities. However, there are certain vitamins that play a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood vessels and promoting good circulation. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body against free radicals that can damage the walls of blood vessels. Free radical damage to the endothelial layer of the heart and blood vessels is one of the first steps in atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Plaque buildup can restrict blood flow to vital organs and increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. By protecting the blood vessels from free radical damage, vitamin C helps to reduce the risk of developing atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular diseases. In addition to its antioxidant properties, vitamin C also plays a role in the production of collagen, a protein that is essential for the structure and strength of the blood vessels. Vitamin E is another nutrient that has been shown to improve blood circulation and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting the body against oxidative stress and inflammation that can damage the blood vessels. Vitamin E also helps to prevent the formation of blood clots, which can improve blood flow and reduce the risk of stroke and heart attack. Besides these two vitamins, vitamin K1 and K2 are essential for maintaining healthy blood clotting and preventing excessive bleeding. When applied topically, vitamin K2 in particular has been shown to improve blood circulation and reduce swelling in the legs. While the exact mechanisms by which vitamin K2 exerts its effects on blood circulation remain unclear, research suggests that it may help to strengthen the walls of blood vessels and promote healthy blood flow. Mustard seeds contain all three of these essential vitamins, making them an excellent choice for improving blood circulation and reducing swelling in the legs. They are rich in vitamin C, which protects the blood vessels from free radical damage and helps to maintain their structure and strength. Additionally, mustard seeds are a good source of vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant and prevents blood clots from forming. Moreover, mustard oil, which can be extracted from the seeds, is rich in vitamin K2, which has been shown to improve blood circulation and reduce swelling in the legs when applied topically. To reap the benefits of mustard oil for leg swelling, it is important to choose a high-quality product that is made from organic and cold-pressed mustard seed. Cold pressing extracts the oil without using heat or chemicals, which can damage the delicate nutrients in the oil. Look for a product that is labeled as 100% pure mustard oil to ensure that it is free from additives or contaminants. Now let's move towards the benefits of this oil. First, it reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of this oil can help reduce redness and swelling caused by injuries or minor burns. Second, it relieves pain. This oil's analgesic properties can help alleviate discomfort and soreness in the affected area. Third, it improves blood circulation. The ingredients in this oil can help dilate blood vessels and promote better blood flow. Fourth, it boosts the immune system. The antimicrobial properties of this oil can help boost the immune system and protect against infections. Fifth, it has antioxidant properties. This oil is rich in antioxidants that can help protect the body against free radical damage. Now let's see how to use this oil. For best results, it is important to use this oil correctly. Here are some tips on how to use this oil. Take a few drops of the oil and gently massage it into the affected area using circular motions. Avoid putting too much pressure on the skin and be gentle to prevent any further irritation. Allow the oil to absorb into the skin before putting on clothes or bandages. For external use only, do not ingest the oil. Store the oil in a cool, dark place to preserve its quality and effectiveness. Consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or questions about using this oil. I have also included some bonus points here. The results may vary depending on the severity of your condition and the consistency of your application. It is important to be patient and consistent with your treatment plan. In addition to applying the oil topically, you may also want to consider making changes to your diet and lifestyle to support your overall health and well-being. Eating a healthy diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can help improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Regular exercise can also help promote good blood flow and reduce leg swelling. If you experience persistent or severe leg swelling, it is important to seek medical attention promptly. Leg swelling can be a symptom of a serious underlying medical condition that requires treatment. A healthcare professional can help you determine the underlying cause of your leg swelling and recommend the appropriate course of action. In conclusion, applying this oil to your legs can provide numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation, relieving pain, improving blood circulation, boosting the immune system, and protecting against free radical damage. To use this oil effectively, take a few drops and gently massage it into the affected area using circular motions. Be gentle to avoid further skin irritation, and allow the oil to absorb before putting on clothes or bandages. Remember that while this oil can be a helpful addition to your health and wellness routine, it is not a substitute for medical advice or treatment. Consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or questions about using this oil, or if you experience persistent or severe leg swelling.